Menteri Berdepet Jakatana Jungok Kai Pertei Bapa Lengdo Ni Kesngi Bakaran Bikinong Tok Kubor Ulai Tu Bak Sorkar Jela Kan Saya Soi Ya ke soskular Lani ke Memorandum of Understanding Bat ke Jela Assam Habai Day Baduput Usam Ya kani Kinsale Haka Katsan Tarik Agos Bat Santili Shnong Ha Katanyuri Boy Region Kinsawan Pai Biang Sya ke Jela Meghalaya Ubak Pol Ulapan Pau Bakini Santili Shnong Kidai Bahapopo ke Ribhoi District kani kandai ka waipat ka sinjam ba ka sorkar kalale man penbet yau put usam jong ka jela kabala sa kongreng klemle ai ha kini snam baladem habidei bat ka than langpi kaba ulalong kum chairman ka regional committee uba pol ulaong bagi kam kala ya cha bat ka basa mata ka dei satang banle jurip yaki jaka habreng ka jela Meghalaya bat ka Assam.
In fact, I will remind you that before August 15, we will formally sign an MOU with the Assam government, whereby 5 new villages will come back to be part of the territory of Meghalaya.
Which are the 5?
I don't remember the names right now.
Which areas?
This is in the mostly in the Ribhoi sector.
And this, we have seen time and again this kind of problems keeps on happening in Langpe, Mukho and this time. Every time it keeps on happening. What can be the solution as of now?
See, out of the 12 areas of differences, now 5 have been resolved. Langpe, we're close to actually finding the final solution. It's just the joint inspection that needs to be undertaken once. And Giant Hills, we are fairly close to clinching final solution. So we are moving far ahead compared to the many years where Meghalaya's territories have only been encroached without any resistance.
So
okay.
when is your regional committee going to submit its report on Langpe sector?
Langpe, there is just a site inspection that needs to be undertaken. I'm yet to get the final confirmation from the my counterpart, the chairman, Mr. Patuari, who heads the Langpe sector committee for Assam. Once I get a word from him, we will undertake a joint inspection and visit Langpe.
You said in the month of August that 5 villages.
Yes. Before August 15. It will be announced on August 15. The Independence Day address.